Welcome back to the beach. Welcome back to Punta Cana. All you can see, we're still trying to answer the question, which hotel has the nicest beach? We are at Bavaro Beach right now, in front of the Punta Cana Princess. And we will check out a couple of hotels here in the area and see the beaches there. Let's start with the Punta Cana Princess. With my feet in the water so that you can see how wide the beach is here at the Punta Cana Princess, Bavaro Beach. Cayena Club going to Vik Arena Blanca. Coming from Punta Cana Princess, this is how it looks. Let's move on. The Cayena Club and Vik Arena Blanca, they lay side by side, and with just one step we are moving over to the beach of the Vik Arena Blanca. Here you have a last look on the wall that's been built to protect the beach of the Cayena Club. Hopefully that will work. Look at this color. Look at this ocean. Bavaro Beach. Still in front of Vik Arena Blanca. The beach is not too wide, but the ocean is a dream. Wow. Let's walk on. And you know you're coming to ocean blue and sands when you see these big, looking like a dead whale, sandbags in the ocean. Ocean blue and sands beach. For all of you that are new to the channel and new to the Caribbean, the Sargassum is not predictable. It can be here now and later in the evening it can be gone. Also there can be more. We can have a season with a lot of seagrass and also a season with almost nothing, like last year. Last year was perfect. We almost had no seaweed, and when it came it only stayed like a day or two and then it was gone again. Or moved on to the next hotel. So everybody had a little bit, but it was not too much. Unpredictable. You see it today, might be gone tomorrow. you don't have anything today, it might be there tomorrow. So it is what it is, Mark. Ocean, blue and sand.
I've made up my mind, I'm gonna make you mine. Nothing will stand between
Welcome to
us.
Caribe Club and Tropical
No
Princess
matter what the
Beach.
people say, all this fades away. Nothing will stand between us. We got love and that's enough to last for the ages.
It's a beautiful day, and I think on a beautiful day, each beach
A love
it's just
story for the
perfect.
pages. We got love and that's enough to last for the ages. We got love and that's enough. A love story for the pages. We got love and that's enough. Some people they've been searching till lifetime, searching for the
Caribe Club Tropical Princess or Caribe Deluxe.
wise men keep reaching.
Some people like it a lot because of the waves. I'm not telling you names, but I know. We're moving on fast forward to Gran Bavaro Princess. That happens when the sun is shining really bright and your camera turns to time-lapse mode. Suddenly everybody starts running around, but I think you still get a pretty good idea about the beach here.
No matter what the people say, all this fades away. Nothing will stand between.
There you see the princess flag. We're leaving the Princess and walking to the Occidental, checking out the beach. Occidental Punta Cana Beach. It's the same. Yeah, if you're at the Occidental Punta Cana, you can enjoy the same beautiful beach, white, warm and soft sand, like at the Bavaro Princess. It's just gorgeous. And little on a side note, it really is a good feeling to walk barefoot in the sand. As you can see, all the hotels are cleaning the beach. So as well as confident you can walk here. There's nothing really you can step in and hurt yourself. It's good for your feet, it's good for your soul. Go barefoot, walk the beach, enjoy. Occidental Punta Cana. Look, they have a chair that can put you into the ocean if you cannot walk. That's a good thing that they have in most of the hotels now. Ooh, how beautiful. I'm ending this video here today for you guys, Punta Cana, all you can see. Today with a big thank you. Thank you for watching. Only you guys make it possible that I am walking the beach barefoot and have the warm and soft sand beneath my feet, and I enjoy it very much. I hope all of you can enjoy it too. That's why I'm as well making the videos. But today I'm feeling really grateful because I love walking the beach, and I only do it with a purpose. So you are my purpose, and I thank you for that. Have a great day. I see you next week.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. La casa del merengue, la y la casa de la bachata.